Number 6. When did cricket start in the world? Having organized in South State England, it became a country national sport in 18th century has been developed globally in the 19th and 20th countries. International matches have been played since 1844 and the Test cricket began recognized in 177. What did cricket start and where? Cricket was included of North America via English colonies or early 17th centuries. At the 18th century, arrived in the parts of global. It was included to the West Indies of colonies and the India by British East Indian Company Madras. History of cricket. International colonies. Who is the first cricketer? He played only 3 test matches before World War II and lost all his prime year. India played on no official test matches. Lala Amaranth, champion test first class, run scored 80-78, first class, batting average 24.38, top score 118. Who is the of India cricket to be found? Where is the organ India cricket to be found? India starting play cricket way back in 1721 uniformly but granted official test status in 1932. They played the first test cricket match from 25 June to 28 June in the year 1932 against England, the Lords in London. India was led by C.H. Naidu and the time. Who is the father? Who is the king of cricket? Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is the champion of Indian cricket team and the IPL franchise Royal Challengers Bangalore. He is recognized as the best batsman in the world and also known as a king of cricket. History of cricket. International Cricket Council. It was included to West Indian the colonies by British East Indian Company. Mandate is arrival in Australia almost as soon. History of cricket in India. Married in 1948. The first Indian club was named as the Percy Oriental Cricket Club. The first match was in Bombay, Mumbai, the first class. History of cricket in India. Cricket lovers. India started play cricket way back in 1721 but was granted official test status in 1932. They played their first cricket. What is the organic cricket in India? The British brought cricket in India in the early 170s with the first cricket match played at Combe near Baroda in 1721, 1848. The Hello, are you very popular parts in India cricket, crazy fan and other best teams.